Here, I'm gonna walk with him. I got a spare shot.
Give me a gun.
Where are we going?
Okay, you don't have to carry it all the way up there. And I can shoot people.
Yes!
Yes!
We get Lenny.
Run straight over that barrier.
Don't tell anyone. They won't know.
Wait.
They won't shoot at a ref.
I don't know where you're going.
This is gonna be funny.
Just walk up there casually. Just, hey guys, you can't be.
Hey guys!
Guys,
20 seconds!
Hey, arming code is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Enter.
You got 4 minutes to get up there and arm it, or 4 minutes to get up there and defuse it.
1 to 7, not in that order.
Yep.
Whatever order you want.
Go, 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 go!
Come on, come on, come on! Medic! Medic!
Stay low. We got it, we got it, let's go!
Move on! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
They're confused! Hold the ball for oh, he's hit, okay. Top of the hill! Got him. We got 3 on the right there, just down. Is that one of ours on the right there?
Watch that left tree, I just saw something move to it.
Got it. I'm not going up there, that's a bad spot.
Bomb arm?
Yeah, it's ours. We got to it right away.
Perfect.
No blind fire! They're not allowed to blind fire, are they? Do we have some? Is there a right on the right that he's a medic? Yeah, there is. Hey guys, they're in the upper bunker here. They're in the upper bunker. Got him. They're definitely there. I can see the BBs hitting the tree here. We almost got it, guys.
Go, go, go.
All right, I'm gonna go for this guy here. Cover me. Ready? 3, 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. Woo!
1, 2, 3,
Nice.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Careful.
Yeah. They're like all on that left and the upper
right
one.
now?
Huh? It's ours, yeah, and it's armed.
Well then, don't let him take that.
This is ours. Watch that bomb close, guys. Don't let anyone. Got him. Yeah! Woo! Nice job, guys.
Squad came together.
Yeah.
Good push. Squad came together.
Where's Chris? He's the one who planted the thing.
Yeah, gotta get up in there.
Where did Chris get to end up?
Yeah, and they're just breaking.
Alright, where are we going? Right, Zach, land. Where are we going?
We're going straight up there.
We're going to the right where Zach is.
Where's Zach?
The cameraman, he's on the right where the bomb's being planted. Go, 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 go! That was a bad route. Did I get hit there? I have no idea if I did.
Where's the bomb?
They have it. We're just protecting the bomb site, which is Zach. Nobody in, nobody out.
Wait, so one of them is carrying the bomb?
Right.
Oh, he's the bomb. Right.
Just set up. Watch our left.
Bomb site's over there. Wait, this is the bomb site? Oh, wow. Oh, I guess I made a good decision on right.
Yep.
Yeah, this is the bomb site here. Right in the middle of this bunker here, right?
Got him right in the face.
Where's he? Where are they at?
Right there, 12 o'clock. Not anymore.
I got no eyes.
They're not close.
They're behind the barricade. Yeah, they were far. I was just messing with them.
All right, I'm gonna run for this guy. Give me covering fire. Ready?
Where are you running to?
Right here.
All right.
Ready?
Go.
Oops, sorry, bud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're good. Any of you guys need a medic? I think that was a no.
Cover fire!
Pallets, pallets, right side! Can we have bomb down? Bomb's down, bomb's down! Watch our left, guys. Call out your contacts. Bang. Oh! Are you counting that or no? Okay, I was about to say. There's a guy at the pallet, 12 o'clock!
Down.
I'm not taking fire, but the guy's still there. Where's that coming from?
Watch left!
I don't see where that's coming from. Anyone? Is it the left side pallets?
Let me see. Just saw the line of beef.
Yeah, me too.
I really wish I was on the other team right now because y'all left the face of this.
We know.
I was just coming around and murdering all of y'all.
Yeah, I know. We're surprised they're not. Are you anyone here down from our team? Left side pallets, I got one. Got him.
Go!
This is an interesting fight. It's a fight of attrition, boys. The bomb's on the right here by the pallets.
Move up!
We still have it covered. Okay, we got one here. All right, 2 of our boys are down. They're in this bunker right dead ahead. You're hit?
Rolling my dick, Coco.
Yeah. I'm going to here in a sec. Oh, he got it. Ah. Yep, I see him. Did it? I feel bad for him. There's a guy right behind those pallets there.
Hey, he's moving up the road. Hey, if you are dead, you know you can walk back to spawn and get another life.
Alright. If you're just down and have a respawn still. Boss moving! He's in the side, go!
He's dead, he's dead, he's dead.
Okay. That was close.
Yep.
I think everybody did.
Shit, hey, hey.
Where?
What's that? Crate.
Crates? By the pallets there?
Yep, pallets.
He's moving! Got him! There's a double kill. Concrete barrier to my right and on my 12. Ooh, that kid's just getting close. On site, on site! There's one on site! I'm out of field. How am I not hit? Huh? Did I? I didn't see it. Okay. Thanks for the heads up. Thanks, man. Did they plant it?
Where's it? Where's it? Let him walk.
Is the bomb planted?
Bomb's not planted. You're sitting in the bomb plant.
Oh, are we? Never mind then. All right, so I'm on my last life.
Bomb has been planted.
Bomb's been planted. It's in the middle of those barriers on the right there.
To the right of us?
See those barriers right to our right with like the...
You want to rush it?
I'm gonna move, all right? I'm gonna get ready to move on the bomb. It's armed, so.
Yeah, let's go on the right. Hi. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go, 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 go!